Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Thomas. Today we're going to work on the Legend of Zelda Hyrule shield that I've printed out. I've shown a couple of the time-lapse videos of the parts being printed. So now we're going to work on starting to sand them down, getting ready to be primed and painted. Now I'm trying to be careful with this because I don't want to drop it because a lot of the pieces are not glued in yet. As you can see, we'll try to hold it too much forward, and that's why I didn't want to do that. Everything has been printed. Most of the outside has been glued together. The top and bottom parts here have been glued together. So now I'm going to work on sanding all this down to get rid of all those layer lines, to smooth it out, and to get it ready for a primer. So I finished all of the sanding for the Hyrule shield. It is now ready for its first layer of filler primer. Also going to need some Bondo work on the outer parts where I was matching the pieces up, and also the top and bottom parts of the center. I had to print it to two separate pieces. I didn't think that was going to fit in my printer, but after going back and checking, it would have fit, but then I was worried about it failing. So I don't mind putting in the little extra work just to make that seam disappear, make it look like it's one solid piece. So that's it for right now. And if you have any questions, please ask a question below, and also don't forget to like the videos, and also don't forget to please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.